it's a noun. Always remember number, then again countable, uncountable. I told you already. So today what we will learn about parts of speech. See, it's a big chapter and it's a very lengthy chapter. I usually first I say, make them understand about the sentence structure, and then I just enter the tense and I make them understand about all different kind of tenses, and then we learn voice and narration changes and joining and all the stuff like this kind of things, and then we also learn about writing skills. But what I'm going to do is about parts of speech. Why I'm going to do it? Because my target is to make you understand properly the entire grammar section, and I'm not going to leave anything. So if you join all the classes, you will have basically you will have the entire idea, you know, about what the grammar and different kind of portion of the grammar, all this kind of. So what I'm going to teach you today about parts of speech. See, in parts of, when we learn about this chapter, there will be different kind of, it is actually a long chapter, and if you can understand it quickly, and if you, it is not that much difficult, by the way, it's easier, and if you understand it quickly, well, you will just finish it quickly. What I'm going to teach you about is from the beginning of the parts of speech. So I'm just hope you will understand it, and if you don't, just let me know, okay? I will let you I will make you understand again. I will make sure that you really understand it nicely, okay? So let's see. First, let me erase the board, okay? See. So before I say something about the types of parts of speech, so first you have to learn what is parts of speech. See, I'm not going to tell you all those kind of things from the books, you know, like exactly the things written in the books. I'm going to make you understand in your kind of way, okay? The way we understand easily. Parts of speech. So first break it. Speech, you know the speech means, because whatever we are saying, this is our speech. If I'm saying anything, we know what now, whatever I'm saying is a speech. Now in this speech there are different kind of things. Whatever you are saying and whatever you are speaking, all among these sentences, okay, possibly probably if you think just only one single sentence, you know what you will find out in this sentence. You will find out subject, you will find verb, and you will find out pronoun. So all these kind of stuffs you will find out. But among these, you know what you will find out extra, like, you know, if you just think about it, like suppose I'm giving an example. The example, suppose I'm saying, it's like, you know, Ramen is working in the field. All right. So suppose about this sentence only, okay? So in this sentence, Ramen, because this is a speech, this is the entire sentence is a speech, and in this speech there are different parts, and this is why I'm saying it's a parts of speech. So Ramen is a part, and this is, there are 8 kinds of parts of speech, and Ramen is one of them. Ramen is about noun. Is or working, they are also the part of parts of speech, and it's a part of verb. In is also the parts of speech, the is also, field is also. So all these kind of parts of speech are, you know, suppose we say Ramen works in the field slowly, or you can say very fast. So say, all these kind of words are saying something about the parts of speech, okay? So let's understand it. I'm going to erase this. Okay, so parts of speech, so as I have already told you that parts means, you know, different parts in your speech, they are the parts of speech. So in that way, if you divide it, there are 8 types of parts of speech. Number 1, it's a noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, adverb, sorry, first write verb, so it will be easy to understand. Now 5 adverb, I'm going order wise. Number 6 preposition, and number 7 conjunction, and number 8 interjection. All right, so these are the 8 types of parts of speech. And if we just learn about noun, in this part only we have to learn more 5 kinds of things, because we will divide it again. There are different kinds of noun, and then it will be divided again some kinds of. So yes, it's a kind of big chapter, but it's not that much difficult because it's easier, because you are already familiar with this kind of lesson and words and already chapters, so it's not that much difficult. Okay, so noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now I will make you understand one by one, but I'm not going to tell you all the meanings and all what these are together just now. I'm going to tell you one by one. So first we are learning about noun. Noun is suppose some of you will not understand what is noun, but if you know the another name of noun is name. Is the other name of noun. So you know the meaning of name. Name means it can be any kind of name, can be anything, any kind of name. You can say like village. Yes, village is a name also, because sometimes we say village, city, town, country, all these kind of things. Okay, then suppose we sometimes we say India, we sometimes say Australia, sometimes we say England, sometimes we say Bornogor. Suppose the name of the village is Bornogor, the name of the city is Kolkata. Suppose you are referring all these kind of names, so this is also a noun. Sometimes you are referring he is kind of honest. Okay, he is honest. So honest is also a part of noun. Sometimes you are saying I have a packet of pen. So packet, this is also a noun. You can say I bought a bottle of water. Water is also noun. Bottle is also noun. Okay, plastic, noun. So all different kind of things are noun. Okay, so but what you will understand about noun is that simply just remember any naming word is noun. So it can be any naming word. Okay, and now sometimes I say chair, sometimes I say plastic, sometimes I say Kolkata, sometimes I'm saying honest, sometimes I'm saying water, all these kind of words. So since I have said different things, so now you can divide these things. You can make it a kind of way, like all these kind of things will be divided in different kind of parts. Okay, so we will give them a proper name, specific name, so that you can understand and you can easily relate the words that this word is the part of this noun, this word is a part of this noun. Okay, so all this way we will understand noun. So first we will understand is the division. Okay, the types. First one is common noun, second one proper noun, third one abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. So these, if you have to understand, have to memorize also. So we can divide the noun into 5 categories. Okay, so these 5 categories are common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, and material noun. Okay, common. So now we will understand what is common noun, what is proper noun, and abstract noun, collective noun, and material noun, because I have already explained to you that we will divide them, we will understand them, and it can be a long chapter. So we are just learning noun, and you can see that there are different types. Okay, there will be more. Okay, so we will understand it slowly. Okay, so let's first now we'll understand what is common noun, what is proper noun. Okay, so let's go to the common noun. Simply remember common noun. See, first I have already told you, noun means any kind of name, any naming word is name. So what is common noun? Common noun, when you are saying something normally, the normal kind of things, normal, like it can be village, it can be town, it can be school, it can be anything that you are referring. Okay, it can be table, it can be it can be mobile phone, or it can be anything. Just you are referring simple way, common things, normal things. Okay, that is common noun. So you can say village, you can say car, you can say pen, you can say a lot of stuffs are there. You can say suppose TV, suppose TV. So these all are common noun, because these are simply, we are not giving any proper name. When you are not referring to any proper name, and how you will understand? Well, first, how you will understand that all these kind of different kind of nouns. So first you have to understand all this, then you will understand that this is this noun, this is this noun, and you will it will be easy for you. Proper noun. Proper noun means it is a specific name. It needs to be a name, a particular name, proper name. Okay, and always remember, proper noun starts with a capital letter. This is one of the key thing to know. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter, because any name you have to start with a capital letter. So that's why proper noun is a kind of specific name, and it starts with a capital letter. So any specific name, like suppose you are saying India, you are saying Australia, you are saying Kolkata, or yeah, like that. We can write anything. Kolkata, you can write, you can tell your name, my name. Suppose I'm saying my name, Kalyan, so it's my name. It's also a noun. I'm saying my friend's name. Suppose you can say your friend's name or anything name. You can, suppose you have given your house a name. Okay, so that house is the name, not the house. The name of the house is a proper noun. Okay, you are referring to a bicycle. Suppose you have given the name of your bicycle something. Suppose Hero or anything, or like KTM. Okay, so all these are proper noun. Okay, and this is the one of the things that you have to remember. Always remember, proper noun starts with a capital letter. Okay, so this is the thing you have to remember always. Okay, proper noun always starts with a capital letter. This is what I have written here. Now we'll talk about abstract noun. It's about your quality, about suppose quality or any kind of characteristic, means it talks something about you, your quality. Suppose you are honest, so honest is the abstract noun. Suppose it's about, suppose you are very thin or you are very tall. So these are the quality, that these are saying something about you. So all these kind of things are abstract noun. So always remember, abstract noun means it talks about you, it says something about your quality, it says something about your characteristic, all this kind of stuffs. Okay, so this is about abstract noun. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now about collective noun. Collective noun is very easy to understand. See, remember, if you think, sit down, if you think about the collective noun. Okay, collective noun means what? Team, group, like bundle, packet. Okay, also all these kind of things are collection. Okay, so when you are talking about some more than one thing, that is collective noun. Suppose you are talking about a packet of pencils. So packet is a collective thing, a collective noun. You are talking about a bunch of grapes. Okay, so you are talking about a bunch of grapes means thoka. So thoka, the bunch is collective noun. Okay, suppose you are talking about a group of visitors. So group is the group is the collective noun. So collective noun is any kind of like club, you can say club, you can say team, or you can say packet. So these are the collective noun. Okay, and material noun is very easy to understand. Material noun means what? Material thing. Material means what? Sand, cement, stone. You have to say material. Plastic, you cannot say chair, because chair is a kind of common noun. But when you are saying chair is made of plastic, so plastic is the material noun. Okay, so plastic is material noun. Okay, so plastic, you are saying plastic, you are saying iron, or you are saying oil, water. So all these kind of things are collective noun, material noun. We understood 5 kinds of noun. Okay, now if we divide all these kind of nouns, so we can divide it. I'm not writing it, simply understand it. All these kind of nouns are divided in 2, that is called countable noun and uncountable noun. Now countable noun and uncountable noun, why? I have already explained you in the previous class when I was teaching about the subject, because person, then person becoming number, then again countable, uncountable, I told you already. So countable noun, uncountable noun, I'm just telling you, you just understand it. Countable means simple. Countable means what? We can count things, that's countable, and which we cannot count, that's uncountable. Like water, can we count water? No, it's uncountable. Can we count pen? Yes, it's a countable. So this is countable and uncountable. So anything you say, if it is countable, then it's countable noun. If it's not uncountable, not countable, then it's uncountable noun. Okay, so this is the chapter noun, and remember there are more things to understand about noun. Like sometimes we say it's a demonstrative, interrogative, but those things will be in different way. But the main thing, this is the main thing. So you have to understand mainly this. So this is about noun, and since I don't want to, because I hope you will be watching this video even on the channel, so I don't want to make it bigger. That's why I'm going to end this video here, and I will make another video of pronoun again, maybe whenever I will find time, so you can watch over the next time. Okay, so then there will be a lot of things. Okay, I hope you understood.